Action cameras in 2026 combine rugged design, high-resolution video, advanced stabilization, and smart features to capture every adventure in crisp detail. Whether you're into extreme sports, travel, underwater action, or vlogging, the right camera makes all the difference. Here are the top 5 best action cameras available in the USA that deliver standout performance and versatility. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Akaso Brave 7 LE. The Akaso Brave 7 LE is an excellent budget-friendly action camera that still delivers capable performance for casual users and beginners. It captures 4K video at 30 frames per second with 6-axis electronic image stabilization to help smooth out shake and jitter during action sequences, making it a good choice for hiking, biking, and travel clips. A dual-screen design, with displays on both front and back, makes framing selfies or vlog shots easier without extra accessories. Its rugged build is typically waterproof, often up to approximately 40 meters with housing, so you can take it snorkeling or to the beach without worry. Multiple shooting modes like time-lapse, slow motion, and loop recording expand creative options, while included mounts and accessories give instant versatility out of the box. While it doesn't match the specs or image quality of premium models like GoPro or Insta360, the Brave 7 LE's good stabilization, ease of use, and affordable price make it a compelling entry-level option available in the USA for those who want reliable action footage without a high cost. Number 3. Insta360X5. The Insta360X5 is a premium 360-degree action camera that excels if you want fully immersive footage and creative reframing capabilities. Its dual lenses capture 8K video at 30 frames per second or high-resolution 360-degree footage that you can reframe later in editing, letting you choose any angle after shooting without missing a moment. A large over 1.28-inch sensor enhances low-light performance and dynamic range, and built-in stabilization keeps 360 footage smooth even when moving fast. Waterproofing up to 10 meters, 33 feet, without extra housing means you can take it on dives, surf trips, or rainy hikes without fear. Unique modes like Me Mode automatically remove selfie sticks in footage for a clean look, while the editing app offers robust tools for adjusting perspective, adding effects, and sharing clips. Though more expensive than standard action cams, the Insta360X5's combination of high-resolution capture, creative flexibility, and 360-degree immersion makes it a standout choice for creators looking to elevate adventure videos in 2026. Number 3. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black remains a strong pick for users who want flagship-caliber video quality at a slightly more accessible price. It records up to 5.3K video at 60 frames per second with HDR support and excellent dynamic range, producing detailed footage with vibrant colors across light and shadow. Compared with older designs, the Hero 12 improves battery life, image quality, and ease of use with a full-color front screen and responsive rear touchscreen. Hyper-smooth digital stabilization keeps footage stable under challenging conditions, whether capturing surfing waves, mountain biking, or snowboarding descents. Waterproof to 33 feet, 10 meters, without extra housing, it's built for adventure right out of the box. The camera also supports live streaming, webcam functions, and wireless file transfer through the GoPro Quick app, making it versatile for both action shoots and everyday documenting. With a strong balance of high-resolution, usability, and proven performance, the Hero 12 Black is an excellent all-around action camera for most users in 2026. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a feature-rich action cam that's widely recognized for its long battery life, excellent stabilization, and rugged versatility, a strong contender among 2026 models. It captures 4K video up to 120 frames per second, with a large one over 1.3-inch sensor that performs well in varied lighting, making it great for sports, travel, and daily action filming. Dual OLED touchscreens allow easy framing and playback, while advanced subject tracking keeps moving shots centered without a gimbal. Built-in storage, for example, 47 gigabytes on some versions, helps prevent data loss if you forget your microSD card. And waterproofing typically reaches 20 meters without housing. DJI's robust stabilization tech reduces shake and jitter, yielding smooth footage even on rough terrain. Mount compatibility and accessory support expand its usefulness for biking, surfing, skiing, or vlogging. With long runtime and solid video quality, the Osmo Action 5 Pro delivers a balanced blend of performance, durability, and convenience for creators who want professional-grade action capture in the USA. Number 1. GoPro Hero 13 Black. The GoPro Hero 13 Black remains one of the most powerful and versatile action cameras available, and is widely recommended as a top choice for 2026. Featuring 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, excellent dynamic range, and GoPro's renowned HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization. It captures smooth, vibrant footage even during intense action. Its modular lens system, including ultra-wide, macro, and anamorphic options, expands creative possibilities, letting you adapt your setup for cinematic shots or extreme wide-angle perspectives. The rugged waterproof body, up to 33 feet/10 meters, and durable build mean you can take it into rain, snow, or water without extra housing. Advanced features like built-in horizon leveling, live streaming, and a user-friendly touchscreen UI enhance ease of use, while the GoPro Quick app simplifies editing, sharing, and cloud backup. With a strong accessory ecosystem and proven reliability, the Hero 13 Black is ideal for creators and adventurers seeking top-tier video quality and stabilization in a compact package. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.